How's it going, guys? Well, it's been a while since I put a video up, so I figured I'd put one up. I'm going to be putting an RJWC exhaust. This here. One second. I'm going to be putting an RJWC slip-on my Scrambler. Now, I don't know if any of you people watched my last video, but if you didn't, check it out. It's pretty crazy. But I bought a Scrambler 1000 with a blown motor. I pulled the motor out of it because I was planning on rebuilding it, and it ended up being an 850 motor. It was grenaded like really fucking bad. So if you haven't seen it, you should check it out. But anyways, this isn't that quad. I ended up buying another one. So I started looking around for a motor for that 1000, and people want stupid money. Stupid money for used ones. They're like ridiculous. So I started thinking about it, and it's not even worth putting the time and money into fixing it. You know what I mean? I'll be in it more than what it's worth. So I figured I'll just pick up another one and part out that 1000. So that's what I did. I parted that 1000 out. Sold a lot of the shit off it so far. Kept some stuff for this 850. I kept the tires and rims. I'm going to keep the snorkels for it. Spare axles, because I'm sure that's going to be a common problem on this. But other than that, yeah, so this is a 2013 850 I bought. Pretty low mileage, power steering, nice unit. It's got the Fox shocks and whatnot. I've done little things to it. I ended up putting the frame braces on. You probably can't tell, but I put frame braces on it. I put a billet front pinion cover on it, because if you don't, I guess they break pretty easily and take the diff apart with it once you start running decent sized tires. What else? I think I also got, yeah, I got a clutch kit here, so that'll be going in it as well. That'll be a different video, but EPI clutch kit. Well, actually, technically it's a Quad Boss clutch kit, but they just use EPI parts. So, but anyways, yeah, I figured I'd just give a quick update of what's going on with the 1000. So that's a no-go. She gone for that one. So I'm gonna be focusing on this 850 now. I guess we'll get a bit of a comparison here. So right now it's just got the stock exhaust on it. And to be honest, it actually sounds pretty good. I almost didn't even really want to change it, but I'm a bit of an arsehole, so I like them loud. So yeah, sounds pretty good. But I'll throw that RJWC on, and I guess to get a bit of comparison and see how they sound. Alright, we got the factory slip-on off, and we got the RJWC on. Looks pretty nice. Fits pretty good. I'd hope so for how expensive they are. I haven't started it yet, so let's start it, see what it sounds like. Oh yeah. Already it's way louder. Oh shit. Oh yeah, it's way fucking louder. Well, I'm impressed. Cool. Since I'm just running a slip-on, I'm gonna not run a fuel programmer. I know a lot of guys do, but the head pipe and everything is still factory pipe, no different length or anything. It's not a full exhaust, so I think we'll be fine with just a slip-on. The 850s apparently come pretty rich from the factory anyways, so I'm hoping anyways. I hope it doesn't hurt it, but I think we'll be okay. The 1000s, on the other hand, from what I read, come lean from the factory. So when you start adding slip-ons and stuff like that to a 1000, and you don't do any fuel controller on it or any computer tuning or whatnot through RVS or whichever company does it. I know RVS is one of them. But anyways, yeah, the 1000s apparently run a little lean, but in our case for the 850, I think we'll be okay. I think that's it for now. I'll probably get another video up when I'm doing the clutch kit stuff. Maybe something for the snorkels, but for now, sorry, that's it. Oh, actually, while I'm here, finally made some progress on the trike front end. Got some triple clamps figured out for it. They still need a little bit of work before it goes on the trike, but slowly it's happening there. It's happening. And there'll be more on that whenever I get that done. Anyway, peace.